Welcome to Tony's Bonsai. Some people get excited about Christmas presents and birthday presents, but for me, it's a mail order present of a tree that I buy for myself. That's what really gets me excited. And I bought an Itoigawa Juniper online, so I'm dying to open this up and see what it looks like. The chap I bought this off online, I did actually ask him if it was okay for me to, talk about his video online and the tree he sends and all that kind of stuff. Just because it's nice to ask permission for these things, and he didn't reply to me about it, so I'm not going to say where I got it from, just out of respect, but I'll tell you how much it cost. So let's have a look and see what I've got. It seems to be packaged up nicely. And I really splashed on this one. People know how I love buying me cheap plants, especially free for £1, £2. This cost me £75, and there's a good reason, because it's a rare plant that you just can't get in garden centres. Oh, it's looking good. So what do I mean when I say it's looking good? Well, what I mean is, look at all that beautiful, fresh, vibrant green growth. That's what I wanted. Cut these cable ties off. And have a look and see what I've got. Appears to be, as I say, very nicely packaged. And look at that dense green foliage. That's what you get with the Itoigawa, and that's what I wanted. I was a bit concerned about the health of this plant because it was posted earlier this week, about 5 days ago, and I thought, what's it going to be like? But looks great. So not the biggest tree, but I'm very happy with it. And you can see it's got some nice movement and shape to it, but that's not the real reason that I bought this tree. I had a choice of several to pick from, and there were some actually that I thought had better trunks than this. I thought they had a bit better taper and they had a bit more character, but the reason that I chose this one was because of the nature of the foliage. So it's got a lovely contorted S shape to it, and this is going to make a lovely tree in the future. But I'm not going to be doing any pruning or any work on it, because my idea is to just grow this tree and let it grow, let it develop, and hopefully take cuttings from it, because I would like to grow my own Itoigawas. I think this is the best view of the tree, where you can see the nice line that goes up. It's got a nice branch here and it goes up there. So I think in the future, I'll add shari and some deadwood and different things, but I'm really happy with that, really happy. So this is going to go into a bigger pot and be allowed to develop, and I'll crack on with junipers like this. This is a precumbens nana that I picked up from a local garden centre, reduced to £5. It's got some lovely movement. It's far more developed than that previous tree, but if you want the sort of the Ferrari, then you've got to pay. As always, thanks for joining me. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.